Hi, I'm Jonah with Vizzetto, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Lasso tool in Reactiv Suite. Okay, so you can see here, I'm in my whiteboard and I have some content and some notes. And say I really wanted to insert a comment between point 1 and point 2 here. Now, I could try fitting it in or erasing, but that'll just be really difficult. And that's why the Smart Lasso tool is so useful. So I can select the Lasso tool and I can simply just draw a straight line, and all the content that is beneath that line, I'm able to move straight down, and then I'm able to now insert my notes. Okay, so I'm also able to use my lasso tool and draw a straight line in this direction, and I'm able to move the content either right or left. Okay, and then that gives me some room to bring up new content here, right? Okay, and say I wanted to move my content up, down, left, right, diagonally. I can select the lasso tool and draw a complete circle around the content. And then you have that multi-directional ability to move it anywhere along the canvas. Okay, and say my lasso tool is all the way on the other side of the screen. I can simply just double tap, and then I'm able to use the tool like so. Now for users who don't have a touchscreen, you can simply just select it with your mouse from the toolbar, and then again, you're able to move your content freely like so. So now you know how to use the Smart Lasso tool in Reactiv Suite Scribble. It's a fantastic tool that allows users to simply draw a line, select content or notes, and move it around the infinite canvas.